Thank you, Colin. Morning, everybody. My name is Zoe, and I'm one of the 3 candidates for the Pontllanffraith ward of flaen in Caerphilly. I've been asked to talk to you about why I want to be a candidate in the 2017 elections. This is my 2nd time standing as a candidate for Plaid Cymru after 2012. I was given an elected seat on Town Council in Blackwood. Where I gained chair of events for the town, this involved me dealing with members of the public and different organisations. I believe this gave me great experience. Alongside this, I run youth programmes and community projects, all voluntary. I feel this has given me the right experience to go forward and stand in this year's borough elections. I have a strong passion for the community. Like most of you, I want change. But this is not for myself, but for the community I was brought up in and I now raise my children. A community where the neighbours were your aunties and your uncles, and not just by blood, with a bag of sugar being passed over the garden fence, where the curtain twitching meant the neighbourhood was watching out for you. Even the local Bobby knew the kids by name, and not just the naughty one. And when you went home by the turn on the street light, after playing on the local field. As time have moved on, I found myself asking, what do we all have now? What do your children have? Let's just think. Now in 2017, the people on the doorstep are telling me the day services are being cut. But we look around and your neighbours are getting older. Your relatives are getting older. There's bed blocking in the hospitals. Where's the support? Who are we getting the support from? They can't access the GP for their appointments. The waiting lists for the hospitals are longer. The kids of today are labelled as antisocial. Do they have youth clubs? Do we have outreach programmes? Where are the local bobbies? Do we know the local bobbies? We ask the children to leave school without a career, without the job opportunities. The street lights are now being turned off to save money. Social and affordable housing needs to be maintained while we protect our green spaces. Is this what we want from the local council? We understand there's savings needed. I believe we need to take pride and support in our own community and stand up for what we believe in. Be a councillor who is capable, vibrant, energetic and engaged, with a commitment to the local people and a passion for change. And that is why I am running for Plaid Cymru in Pontllanffraith in 2017. I thank you all for listening to me this morning.